Well, we've been talking about these extreme cold temperatures all night. Take a look at this. To show off just how cold it is, our photographer put an extremely wet t-shirt outside. Listen to that crunch. This is a wet t-shirt that was outside tonight around 5:30. After just 30 minutes, this happened. Yeah, the entire shirt became a frozen solid. Chris, we are talking extreme cold, and I think it just proved it.
It really does. And meanwhile, someone in the newsroom's missing a T-shirt. I think at this point.
That too. I don't know where that came from.
Boy, doesn't that really just show how incredible this cold is? And again, that was in about 30 minutes or less. So put in perspective, if you didn't have hats or gloves and you stepped out into that tomorrow morning, just how cold and how dangerous it could be to you stepping out. Downtown Toledo, we have dry conditions, but it is an icy chill. Temperatures have tumbled. We're about 10 to 15 below zero for the wind chill right now, and several additional alert days. That's some new data out there into the weekend. I've added Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I suspect it could get even colder than what we're feeling right now. Now, we do have some clearing that's taken place and dry weather expected for the overnight hours. Nothing falling, but we had some widespread blowing and drifting of snow. That has created some slippery spots on many of our roadways. The neighborhood streets, the county roads, especially the rural areas, our roadways are in fairly rough shape. We have single-digit readings across the area, and current temperatures, they're just above zero. And I thought this was just an incredible map. Put this together earlier today, how widespread this Arctic air is pouring out of North America and Canada, in fact, coming straight from the Hudson Bay. Look up toward Anchorage, Alaska. This is actual air temperature right now. They are 20 degrees warmer in Anchorage, Alaska, compared to what we have right now in Toledo, Ohio. So put it in perspective, we've got some really frigid weather. We're double digits below zero with the wind chill, 13 below in Findlay, 15 below over toward Toledo, and match that over in Port Clinton. We've got widespread school closures. In fact, look at the latest list. It's gone up 2 schools just in the past 10 minutes. We're at 57 schools closed, 17 delayed, and about 24 on time. They're going to see how things look tomorrow morning. One of the biggest districts in Northwest Ohio, in fact, the largest, Toledo Public Schools, chose to close earlier in the day, give the parents early heads up. Down there in Wood County, we've got Bowling Green schools. U2 as well are closed. Now, bus stop forecast on the occasion. Some schools do try to head out on time. Here's what you're going to be facing: the wind chill of 10 to 20 below zero, and the temperature right around 1 degree first thing in the morning. So this is going to be something we're going to have to ride out all night tonight. Wind chills about 10 to 20 below zero. Now, by tomorrow afternoon, we do get some sunshine. Winds lighten a little bit, but it's going to take us to about mid-afternoon to actually get a positive wind chill back just above zero tomorrow afternoon. So now through Tuesday morning, our weather impact alert day, big time cold snap, and we're monitoring and planning major impacts to schools with delays and closures, because that's how it's going to feel first thing out the door. As cold as about 15 below right here in the Toledo metro. We're not done with it there. I've got several more alert days out there for that extreme chill. Some of the coldest weather of the season, and I can preview it right here. Big picture on this one. We'll get more to the specifics this week, but I expect by Friday we're going to be again 10 to 20 below zero, if not even colder. And those overnight lows into the weekend are going to be absolutely bone chilling. Icy travel and slippery conditions, especially in rural areas tonight. Frigid cold down to 1 degree tonight. And there's your wind chill factor first thing out the door, about 10 to 15 below zero. Gets us to about 1 for the wind chill into the afternoon on Tuesday. 33 is the high on Wednesday. Scattered chance of snow showers and windy. Could get up to an inch of an accumulation. 24 for Thursday, and there it is, more alert days Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs in the single digits. And look towards Saturday morning, that low 8 below zero to kick off the weekend.